Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to look at the D65. It's a powerful and stable drone, it says. We're about to find out. It's windy out here today. See if it's got any kind of wind resistance. Hope you're all doing well. Let's get right into this. Here's the D65. Open the front arms first, back arms second. Take off your cover. Throw it in the case. Set the case off to the side. Grab a battery. Got full battery. Put that in there. Contacts up. Push in on the button. Slide it in there until it locks in place. Grab your control. It's a place for your phone. And this one is Wi-Fi, so we're gonna power on the drone. My long pressing, same with the control. You have to double tap the control once and then twice. Long press. Okay. Joysticks are underneath here, so you just screw them in. Accidentally hit the return to home there. Okay. Once you get that done, then it's time to link your phone with the camera. See, now it's in GPS mode when it turns green. Get out here, cricket. Alright, so we're going to go into our Wi-Fi settings and find the HS drone number here. Or it's a DRC, I'm sorry. Just long pressure Wi-Fi. DRC FPV, what we got here? 75A 1EC 5G. So I'm going to select that and wait for my notification. It says obtaining IP address. Now it's locked in. Notification's coming here soon. Once I get the notification, you select yes. There it is. Just hit that and then select yes. Okay. Then we go over to the app. Once we do that, just exit out of that. Then I have the DRC GPS right there. Well, right there. Now it's opening up. Then you just go into controls and you should see what the camera's seeing, and you are just like that. So let me get that mounted in on the control here. Try not to hit anything. All right, you can hear the farmers out plowing the fields today, so sorry about all the noise. Not much I can do about it. They're going to keep on going until they're done, so we'll just have to deal with it today. All right, here we go, guys. DRC D65. See what we got. Down into the center to start the motors. Well, I'm gonna try to flatten out my landing pad there. Weeds are getting carried away over here. Okay, here we go. Well, down and out. That's how we start this one. There it is. Up to take off. Looks like the wind's going to affect it quite a bit. Let's get it out there, see if I can't get a couple quick shots. It's in the low speed here, so let me put the speed up to speed 3. Hey, it's fighting it sideways almost, but it's fighting it. I don't know if you guys can see the drone itself. Let me get it a little closer. It's holding. It's a little cockeyed, but it is holding it. All right, let me go a little bit further up and a little further out. Try to get some kind of a picture other than just a straight ugly field. That's all I have around here in Indiana. Okay, let me take a quick snapshot. Where is the snapshot button? Oh, right up here. Top right corner on the face of the remote. There's one picture. I imagine we'll just long press to start the video. Get a little bit higher, take another picture, turn it back this way toward the ditch, the tree line there. There's the second picture, and I'm going to do a slow 360 for a video once this picture locks in. Okay, picture's taken. It's going to long press for video starting. That's how it works. Okay, now we're gonna do a slow 360. Wow, it's holding up in the wind. That's really impressive for a drone of this size. It's under 250 grams, so no need for registration. Video looks good on my phone. I'm gonna try not to look away so you can see the drone, but I'll put the video feed and the pictures up on the screen. All right, there's a slow 360. All right, let's go out a little further. Whoops, let me stop the video. Long press to stop the video. Looks like I took another picture. Get out there a little ways and do a return to home, see what happens. I'll stop it before I let it get in the trees if I can. All right, here we go. Return to home. It says it's returning to home. Yep, it is. It turned around and it's coming back at me facing forward. Wow, look at it come back. I'm gonna get ready to stop it just in case it can't handle the wind, but it seems to be doing just fine. Wow, impressive. Right above me now. Don't fall off camera. I tighten my strap a little bit. All right, you can adjust it with your joysticks when it comes down. That looks like it would have been pretty close, but with the wind I'm just gonna let it come down so far and I'm gonna stop it. If it wasn't a windy day and I had a better place, I'd let it land. But this is what I got to deal with today, so it is what it is. Look at that cockeyed drone. All right, I just hit return to home to stop it. Let's handle it though, guys. Look at that. Can you believe it? Little tiny drone like that fighting this heavy wind. Look at them trees. You see that? Crazy amount of wind out here for this little drone, and it's still in the air. Pretty cool. Look at it. Even got my landing pad all screwed up. Oh, and that mistake I stepped on. I had something to do with it. All right, we'll go ahead and bring it in for a landing before this thing blows away. Maybe we're gonna have a hurricane or something here. Jeez. Okay, someday, maybe soon, I'll get a better place to do stuff, but until then, we're gonna have to be stuck with this. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace. Bye. Have a great day.